The DJI Mavic Mini Combo is a lightweight drone, weighing less than 0.55 pounds, making it almost as light as the average smartphone, and negating the need to register it with the government in the United States and Canada. Despite its compact size, the Mavic Mini is powerful and serves as a perfect creative companion, capable of capturing moments in a way that effortlessly elevates the ordinary. With its light weight, the Mavic Mini can stay in the air longer than similar consumer FlyCams on the market, offering up to 30 minutes of flight time with a fully charged battery. The Mavic Mini supports 12 megapixel aerial photos and 2.7K high-definition videos, and its 3-axis motorized gimbal provides superior camera stability, ensuring clear and ultra-smooth footage. The DJI Mavic Mini Combo package includes the drone, a remote controller, 3 intelligent flight batteries, 3 pairs of spare propellers, 2 micro USB cables, and a range of other accessories, ensuring you have everything you need for your aerial photography. With a high review score of 4.7 out of 5 from over 10,000 reviews, the Mavic Mini Combo by DJI is a highly rated and popular choice among drone enthusiasts.